Hello friends, my name is Tariq and I am the admin of Motivational Course and Success Stories Facebook page. In this video today we will discuss about how to get a job after graduation. There are total 10 points, but I will discuss 5 points in each video. The 5 points in this video and 5 points in next video. Okay, so let's get started. So once you are graduated, the first point is CV. So in order to make a CV, your CV should be precise, attractive and to the point. Okay, your CV is just like a brochure. The more attractive and the more precise the CV is, the more chances you will get a job. So in order to make a CV, I have posted one article in my previous, you can check my previous post. In my previous post you will get an article in which I have described how to write a precise CV in the form of points. So please go through to that article and I hope you will understand each and everything. So once we are done with the CV, the second point is LinkedIn. Okay, so in LinkedIn the thing is you have to make a registration over LinkedIn. So after registration, whatever your designation is, for example, if you are applying as an IT engineer, or if you are graduated as an IT engineer or a sales engineer, or whatever your designation is, just after registration on LinkedIn, search for those designations, search for the people with the same designation you are applying for or you are graduated. After that, check their skills, check their experience, check their description, each and everything, and just grab the idea. I'm strictly saying do not copy paste, because copy paste will not work for you. So grab the idea from there and write your own unique selling points, your own unique skills or the description in your own words. Don't just do copy paste. Okay, after LinkedIn, make a list of all the companies related to your field. For example, go to Google and you are graduated in IT industry, then search for the companies, search for the IT companies in your city or in your country. The same goes for other fields. Okay, after that, visit them one by one and go to their contact us section, get the email and write on Excel or wherever you would like to write. After writing, okay, send them, make an email and send them one by one. Don't just make one email template and send them to all, because it will not make an impression. Just write an email template and send them one by one. For example, it would be my honor to apply in XYZ company as a XYZ. XYZ is your designation. Apply them one by one. Don't just make one email template and then put each and every one email address on two section and then send it to them. This is not a good practice, and actually your CV will be deleted straight away, unfortunately. After that, once you are done with making the list of the companies, do the same thing on LinkedIn. In LinkedIn you can actually from the list you can go to the LinkedIn page of each and every company. Once you are there, you will find the connections. Connections is actually a LinkedIn terminology in which you will find all the employees working in that company. From that list, what you will do is you will get the IDs of managers or the directors related to your field. Just connect with them, send them a message, attach your CV, and in the message write that I'm looking for a job or an internship. If you have any in your domain, please let me know. Thanks. Okay, now many people will say that this is not a good way, but this is actually a tried and tested way, and I have done this, and I have got 3 to 4 interview calls with this method, so I highly recommend it to you. After that, the fifth point is join job groups. Join on Facebook, join on WhatsApp, the Facebook pages, Facebook groups, WhatsApp group, LinkedIn pages for jobs. And in LinkedIn actually you can directly search a job in XYZ in any company, and also the job searching websites. So I highly recommend you to go through in LinkedIn, and you will find many things over there. So LinkedIn is actually a very helpful website to find a job, to connect with professionals, to find a mentor, or to take the guidance. So these are the 5 points. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.